Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart overheating and cutting out. Your motor may overheat, especially if you're mixing heavy dough at maximum load. If in some modes you overfill, if you overfill the mixing bowl, then it will overheat. But sometimes in some modes it will show you in the top right corner of the screen that you shouldn't fill it over 2.5 liters, even though 3 liters is the maximum of the bowl. In that case, you just need to listen to it and do it. Also, some long continuous runs or very hard ingredients or not cleaning the device properly may cause it. Of course, the hard ingredients or long runs, it's easy to stop them. To clean the device properly, remember to remove the cutting knife from the bowl and clean it separately from the bowl to get rid of all the debris. And if that didn't help, then make sure just to wait for the cool down. Sometimes it may need a little time for the cool down, especially in some modes. For example, the dough mode, which even states that you should wait half a minute before starting another kneading task, so the device cools down. So also listen to the instructions shown on the screen always. And when it comes to dough, you actually need to remember that there's a limit of 1 kilogram of flour in the mixing bowl, and in the hard dough mode, like bread dough for example, you need to remember that the overall mass of the dough should not exceed 1750 grams. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.